repeatedly bringing this point because, with West Bengal, the image that's been associated is what happened to the Tata Nano plant and what happened in the aftermath of that. So in that sense, do you think it's big news from the market point of view as well that perhaps the third or fourth biggest state of India is getting a right-wing government? How do you see that from the market point of view?
I think pretty much similar. See, when India got independent, and before that also, Calcutta or West Bengal or Bengal that time was known for three things: industry, medical, education. And if you see, sadly, post-independence, last 70, 75 years, and people from entire country used to go there for these three things. And in last, post-independence, all people from there have gone out for these three things. All three things have kind of gone from there, right? Does not mean there's a huge potential in the state, for sure, So I echo with pretty much similar sentiment that if you can unleash that hidden potential of that state, people of that state, just like it is happening live in front of us in UP. Yes. It happened earlier in case of those Bimaru states where Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, all those things. So I think we have seen time and again that a good government can change the fortune of the country, of a particular state. And if that obviously part of the overall GDP growth and progress which happens. So I see it's a very, very big change, and also it is far more important from a national security perspective. Being a border state, we all know that there's a huge problem of refugees happening in India, illegal migration happening in India, and we can see how things are changing across the country through that border. So at least to that extent, I think even national security gets far more stronger with the change in the government. So in net, it's a positive. Nothing changes in the market tomorrow, by the way. I mean, these are all directional, nothing changes in the market tomorrow.
Yeah, of course, there are a lot of core BJP voters also who would argue that, in the last 3 or 4 years, the BJP also has acted like left only, right? I mean, it's not too much different from what some other parties are doing, whether in terms of freebies or anything else. I mean, Madhya Pradesh is a classical example. Now, we